How to add a link in your Instagram story without having 10k followers. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So this is a new feature that Instagram added to their app. So I will show you how to get that link. It's super easy. So first of all, make sure that your app is fully updated because this is an update and you have to update your Instagram app to the latest version. So let's go to story and let's create a story. So you can click on the plus icon from the right top corner and click on story, and then from here you can even either take a picture or you can go to upload and choose a picture from there or a video, whatever you want. So I will just take a picture right now. This is just an example for you guys. That's why it's not so pretty. So you have to go to stickers because here you will find the link sticker, and now you can scroll down and you have the link sticker under the quiz next to donation. So click on that, and here you have to add the URL. So you have to paste that right here. This is a TikTok link, and after that you can click done, and here you have your sticker, your link. So people will just click on this one and you will not need 10k followers. So this is a great update, you guys. So that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can smash the like button and you can also subscribe to our channel. And also, if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.